Greetings, people of the interwebs. It is a Tuesday today, which means nothing in itself, other than today, and more importantly, around this time, is when I'm going to have a go at putting some filler on Henny's wing. Now, I've started this video, and then I've thought to myself, I don't know whether I've got much filler, so let's have a look. Should be up here somewhere, unless my dad's still got it. No, he hasn't. It's here. That's exciting, isn't it? I've still got his degreaser as well, which will be coming quite useful. So I've got a couple of spatulas. Let's grab them and all. Let's grab them and all, because we need some of this sandpaper. We need some sandpaper to make it all rough. So, yeah, we've got plenty of sandpaper on there. Well, there's plenty of hardener in there, so that would lead me to assume, he said using scissors to open a tin, which you shouldn't really do. Stop using scissors, do it properly. Oh, this little hammer fit under there. Oh, there's plenty in there. There's plenty in there, he says. Oh, it smells nice as well. Yeah, so we've got some filler. We've got the fillery bits. We've got instructions. We've got some sandpaper. So what we need to do is, apart from tidy up in here, of course it's a bloody mess. Oh, what's in there? Got paintbrushes. Do we need to mask anything off? I don't think we do this time. So yeah, we just need to rough up what's already there. Get some filler in there. Get as much in as possible without it drooping, because it happens. Wait for that to go off. Flatten it back. Add some more if needed. It's going to be one hell of a ride, I tell you. One hell of a ride. Again, this is another example, or rather not example. What's that? It's not going to be an example of how to do this thing properly in the best way. It's an example of how to do things when you're me. Not in the worst way, but just in a normal way, really. Just a normal way. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Yeah, I'll start recording when I get more near the car. Hopefully you'll be able to see us with this crappy tripod. So yeah, catch you in a sec. Well, in fact, where's my other tripod? I have no idea. Well, maybe we'll find it. So the next bit, or the first next bit, is this bit here. So we're going to flatten this down, then give it a bit of fill, and then get it ready for painting later. Hiya. You alright?
Yes, Lord, are you okay?
Yeah, thank you. So as you can see from this finish, that is exactly what you don't want. So I've kind of worked it too much when it's been dry, so I need to wait for that to go off, flatten it back, put some more on.